So generally, when we're talking about teleological, whether utilitarianism or egoism, both can be used to actually justify the fact that business should be profitable. That is, the objective of business should be to make profit, because when organization makes profit, it makes so many people to be happy. The business owner and the shareholders are happier, the employees are happier, the government agency in form of tax are happier, even for the common good of industrialization in the around the vicinity, everybody is happier than when the organization is not making profit and people were being laid off or sacked. The organization have to liquidate and the like. It diminishes the utilitarian advantage that being in business as an organization could have as advantage to our world, to our community, to our vicinity, to our environment, to individual and collectively. So this is utilitarian worldview.